Just, aka Mr. Level 10.
Well, to my team, I put it down. I bet them niggas wake up and let out. Continue sleeping on me now, cause I'ma wake them up and let out. It's all good, it's all good, it's all good, it's all good, yeah. It's all good, it's all good, it's all good, it's all good, yeah.
If I'm looking in that mirror, then I'm looking at the TV. Talk while up in that building, spray it up like it's graffiti. Higher than my crown, I'm sitting low so she don't see me. If you never met me, homie, why the fuck you tryna piece me? Smoking Reggie Bush, but they running like they tiki. Waited till late at night, then I hopped up in the TP. Faces like a 10, but her body is in 3D. Bitch as bad as ever, swear to God, she never CD. Looking in the mirror, all I see is that nigga. Look up in the bag, see a nigga stack bigger. Throw it in the bag and I'm rolling in the jab, but I'm making the jab, watch a nigga stack quicker. Yeah, now throw that, pass it, then you roll that. Pass that shit up front because you know I'm passing more back. I'm a beast, I told that. Championship, I hold that. Hit it from the back, is very nice. Bo-rad, stumbled in the club, don't know where I put my coat at. You say you getting money, here's some bitches, nigga, throw that. Yeah.
Well, to my team, I put it down. I bet them niggas wake up and let out. Continue sleeping on me now, cause I'ma wake them up and let out. It's all good, it's all good, it's all good, it's all good, yeah. It's all good, it's all good, it's all good, it's all good, yeah.
Nigga, shout out to my team. Even though we living famous, nigga, it's not what it seems. Since 13, been addicted to the fiends. Yeah, a nigga moving dirty with an urge to stay clean. Whoa, wait. Niggas is still broke. I took McDonald's money and invested in the coke. Niggas stick to selling dope. Your pen game weak, fin. When it come to this shit, I don't rate, I just speak, fin. I never move like the lames do. Lame dudes need to fall back and be ashamed. Shame on you. Bitches, they ain't shit to me. Niggas don't exist to me. Copping knapsacks from stacks made out in Italy. Why they all fidgety? Cause this nigga nitty gritty got the whole city hypnotized. This nigga's a biggie. Niggas hating, I don't give a fuck. Get well soon. Shout out to my nigga Bucks.
Well, to my team, I put it down. I bet them niggas wake up and let out. Continue sleeping on me now, cause I'ma wake them up and let out. It's all good, it's all good, it's all good, it's all good, yeah. It's all good, it's all good, it's all good, it's all good.
Like Rick said, God bless the man, I put this ice over. Won't call me the greatest, but in conversations they just say I'm like Hova. Say that he that young nigga, like who the fuck he homie? Well, if niggas don't get the clue, then I guess then I'm Desert Stormin'. Went from superstar J's to superstar plays, and Bucks was a little slow until them songs got played. This is creatively kills, was creatively ill. Got goons from high school, make your creativity spill. Sheesh. And if you think you fucking with me this life, throw a bag over your head and scream F-Light. I'm eating good, so please excuse the appetite. But if you see some ass, will I let you know her hair right? Audi R8, no four-door like soup, with the hood levitating, I Chris Angels the coupe. Caught up in some shit I do a fabulous dude. Right before I hit the pins, I'm getting bailed by Clue. P.
Well, to my team, I put it down. I bet them niggas wake up and let out. Continue sleeping on me now, cause I'ma wake them up and let out. It's all good,